Hi, boys and girls. Today we will say our sounds, learn a new sound, read words and sentences, and write words and sentences. Let's get started. For this lesson, you will need a piece of paper and pencil or a whiteboard and marker. If you need extra time to read words or write words, you can pause the video and press play when you are ready to continue. First, we will say our sounds. You will say the sound, then we will say the sound together. Let's get started. Mm, ah, b, j, eh, er, g, ah, ooh, ch, mm, d, s, eh, sh, w, w. Okay, let's get ready to read words and sentences. You will read the word, then you will hear me say ready to check, and I will read the word or sentence. If you need extra time before you check, you can pause the video. Ready to check? W, and, when, w, and, when. Ready to check? When did you go home? When did you go home? Ready to check? W, am, wham, w, am, wham. Ready to check? Wham, he hit the ball with the bat. Wham, he hit the ball with the bat. Ready to check? Itch, which, itch, which. Ready to check? Which dog is from the shop? Which dog is from the shop? Ready to check? Whip, 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 whip. Ready to check? I will whip up dip for the chips. I will whip up dip for the chips. Ready to check? Ish, wish, ish, wish. Ready to check? I wish that Mom will give me a fish. I wish that Mom will give me a fish. Ready to check? If, with, if, with. Ready to check? I will go with Beth to the path. I will go with Beth to the path. Now it's time to write words and sentences. Get your paper and pencil ready. Your first word is whip. 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 Ready to check? Whip. 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 Your first sentence is Dad will whip up a dish. Dad will whip up a dish. Ready to check? Dad will whip up a dish. Your second word is which. Which. W. Ich. Which. Which. Ready to check? W. Ich. Which. W. Ich. Which. Your second sentence is which cat, which cat do you like? Which cat do you like? Ready to check? Which cat do you like? Which cat do you like? Your last word is when. When. W. N. When. When. Ready to check? When. W. N. When. Your last sentence is when will he go to bed? When will he go to bed? Ready to check? When will he go to bed? Nice job, boys and girls. It was nice learning with you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.